Hello, this is Professor Billiard, WPI, and this is a quick video how to do a regression on some Instron data that is nonlinear, and I'm pulling out the linear part to do the regression. So I'm going to do it the easiest way using the trend line tool. So first thing I need to do is pick up what I want to plot. Here I'll plot extension versus load. Insert a scatter plot, and there we have I'm just going to move it up a little higher. Okay, so we have extension versus load. I want to do a linear regression on that. Here load is in newtons on the y-axis and extensions in millimeters on the x-axis. I'm not going to take the time to make this a pretty graph right now. I just want to do the regression to get the slope of this section right here. So if I do a right click on the data and add a trend line, choose linear, and I'd like to display the equation and the r squared on the plot. There it is right there. It's easy to do. But that's a regression through all this data. We only want the linear part. So I'm going to delete that off there. And the linear part, it's best to actually do a bunch of little regressions here with little windows and find out what the max slope is. But I'm just going to estimate that it looks linear up to about at least 2 millimeters. So I'm going to only plot this up to 2 millimeters. So I go back to my end of my data. Instead of plotting all of that data, I'm going to march it up till 2 millimeters. Obviously, there's a lot of data here. So I'm going to skip that and go up to 2 millimeters is at about here 403. So I go back to my graph. And I only want to select the data to 403. And the trend line will only work on the data or take into account the data that's in the plot. Okay, so now I have just the beginning linear part. Now I right click on it, trend line, linear trend line. I'd like to see my equation on the plot. And there you have it, an easy way to do a trend line and get my r squared value. I should only have significant digits here, which I know for the Instron is only going to be about 3 significant digits, and for the extension as well. So I can fix that up later and add nicer X and Y axis labels. It's that easy.